Yo, this is why you keep losing. This is why she's not hitting you back on your text messages. This is why you cannot get a girlfriend. You just don't understand women. You don't understand female nature, and because you'll never understand them, you're never going to win. You're never going to be able to lock down your girl. So today, I want to take you through a crash course. This is Female Nature 101, class is sensation. We're going through TMF University, and I'm going to make sure you understand exactly what they're looking for. Let's go. Number one, women love kind guys. Look, we've heard it way too much, the whole nice guys finish last, but a survey of over 100,000 women came back detailing what were the most attractive traits for men. And lo and behold, the number one most attractive trait was kindness. See, it's not that bad boys win all the time because women love to be treated badly. It's just because the alternative, which is the nice guy, is usually nice with the prerequisite that they want something in return, whether that's attention or a sexual favor. See, kind guys, they're just good guys regardless of the outcome, and that in and of itself is attractive because they're not waiting for anything. Number two, she wants you to look good. See, guys have this misconception that it's only us that care about looks. And while yes, women do care about looks a little bit less than we do, they actually still do. And a study proved that women use your attractiveness or how you physically look as a gatekeeper for everything else. Meaning that if you look ugly or a bum or you don't take care of yourself, that in of itself is going to stop her from actually appreciating all your other qualities like your charisma and how kind you are, etc. But if you look good, that acts like that gatekeeper, which it's going to attract your attention, and now she's going to start judging your other qualities. The point is, boys, you always have to put in effort. You always have to look great. And look, I'm going to tell you right now, one of the easiest ways for dudes to elevate their attractiveness, yo, just throw on a pair of glasses. See, with glasses, you don't have to put too much effort. You don't have to be the latest fashion designer or know the latest trends. No. Find a pair that suit your face, and now your face is going to look more balanced, more structured, and therefore, you're going to look more attractive. And right now, Black Friday, our Jade Black store is going on sale, boys. This is the biggest sale we have ever done in the history of Jade Black, meaning if you've ever wanted glasses, this is the time to stock up. And boys, the sale is happening this weekend, this Saturday, and here are a few cool things. One, it's almost 50% off, meaning our $49 glasses that are already crazy affordable will just be a gift at this point. Like, they'll be stupid affordable. And the great part is, since that we sell men and women, we sell both prescription, we sell blue light and sunglasses. It also makes it a great Christmas gift. Like, literally everybody in your life, your aunt, your girlfriend, your cousin, your brother, your sister, your friend, it doesn't matter who him or she is, you can find him a great gift at Jade Black because all our stuff is made with the same Italian acetate that most designer houses use, but you're gonna get him for a steal. You're gonna get him for around 25 bucks, meaning that for right now, like, yo, you could literally buy 10 pairs and it's still gonna be cheaper than a pair of Ray-Bans. Just think about that. You can build an entire collection, buy everybody's gifts for Christmas, everybody's gonna be happy, and you didn't even break the bank. And the cool part is that if you live in New York City, we are partnering with Outway, where we're gonna be able to ship your product same day. Yo, Amazon what? Amazon what? Bro, our product, the day you order is the day that you will be receiving your product. Come on. That's pretty impressive. Bro, you do not want to miss this sale. Number three, women will always test you. Look, when this happens, don't just cave in. Don't give her the immediate reaction and just lose your temper. See, a lot of times you're going to feel like your girl is always giving you a hard time, like she's always just pointing out your faults. In reality, she's testing your resilience, your integrity, your leadership. And depending on how you react is how she's going to respect you and treat you. On one side, if you lose your temper, chances are she's going to know you're fragile. On the other side, if you cut all her BS tests, you call her out on her errors, and you establish your boundaries respectfully, yo, she's gonna respect you like the king that you are. Number four, women are hypergamous, meaning that they're constantly looking for the best mate. Funny enough, I was watching a podcast with Jordan Peterson, which I'm sure all of you know who he is. The interesting part is that he explained it beautifully. See, the thing with female hypergamy is that they got the most to lose. When they mate with somebody, and they get pregnant, they know that their social value, if they were to go back into the dating world, has now decreased. Therefore, they are always looking for that best mate, the most stable, the most reliable, the one with the most resources. So when they do end up mating with that person, they are decreasing their chances of having to go back out into the market knowing they're at a lower social value. Therefore, the prettier she is, the more options she has, and the more hypergamous she tends to be, meaning that she's going to continue to look. What does this mean for you? Something we've known since the beginning of mankind. we men are competitive by nature, meaning we're going to continually be competing with other men to be that top 10%. And when you reach that top 10%, you got nothing to worry about. See, now women are coming to you because you are that ultimate choice that all of them are looking for. And finally, number 5, women love differently. Again, if you've ever been in a relationship, chances are your girls made you take one of those 5 love language tests. You know exactly what I'm talking about. They're cringy, but yo, they believe in this crap. It's like their astrology, and low-key, there's some truth to it. See, women love differently than men. For us, we're tactile. We're very visual creatures, and we like to touch things. That's how we communicate our love. For women, it's completely different. For them, it's their acts of service or their words of affirmation, meaning they want you to do stuff for them without having to ask or say romantic things. Knowing and understanding how she loves, especially once you're in a relationship, and then treating her that way is just going to deepen her love for you, making you finally crack the code as to what it is that women are looking for. And that's basically it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget J Black launching this Saturday, Black Friday sale. It's going to be the biggest sale we've ever done. You don't want to miss it. That's it for me today. See you next time.